Hey guys, it is I coming to you with an Under 20 Tuesday, and I'm kind of committed to using up this paper at this point, this paper pad, because not exactly low, but I'm lower than normal on most paper pads, so that's where most of my paper is going to be coming from the next couple of videos. This is of my oldest and my second to youngest boy. And I just kind of threw some ephemera out here that I thought I might use, because after I realized it was kind of pointless to do an under 20 if it was all planned out, so I stopped. Anyway, I did grab out some stuff from I did go ahead and cut my paper down. It's got little hearts on it. And these are, I'm using these two for another layout, so I thought I could bring them onto this one. But I'm not sure just yet. I did think I'm going to use this as my title card. And that's it. I have absolutely nothing else going for me here. Let's see what we got here. You know what? I could. What about? I think I will matte this in the yellow. I don't know if I got enough for that. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Just to give it a bit of a border. I'm pretty sure you guys can't hear my son in the shower right now, but this one right here, Devin, he's got an old soul when it comes to music, and he's currently listening to Pour Some Sugar on Me. I couldn't tell you who the artist is, but he could, and he is 12. In this photo, he's 11, but that's my boy. Sorry, it sounded kind of loud. This is from the cut-aparts from that paper pad. Don't think that's gonna work. That's okay, because it'll give it some off there. I just don't know if I'm gonna do strips. I think I'll do the torn strips. I just feel like I can't get enough of torn strips. That's just, I don't even know what it is about them, but it's pretty cool. Yesterday I came home and wholeheartedly was going to flake out on you guys this week. Like, I literally could not, I barely made it home. I was so sleepy. It was a little bit ridiculous. I did make it home, thankfully. And promptly showered up, went to bed. I don't even, because my daughter has a young lady come home with her on the Tuesday and Mondays after her cheer practice. I don't even remember the little girl leaving. I just took me a little nap till about 7:30. Woke up, had dinner, and went back to sleep. You guys ever have days like that? Please tell me I'm not the only one, please. I don't know. Let's see. That's gonna blend. Totally craziness here. Ooh, what about this? Give it a wee borta. I would need to trim it. Man, my husband's cooking a new dish tonight. And your girl is excited. It smells delicious. Delicious, I say. He's probably, it's hilarious because he'll be cooking or whatever, and I'm not the cook in the family. Very, very much not. I have set the house on fire more times than I care to remember. Hence, he cooks most of the time, and I'll walk in and I'm like, man, Dwayne, what are you cooking? It smells delicious. And he's like, oh, I'm just boiling the water right now. And I'm like, thanks for making me feel like a fatty. There's not a whole lot of denying the fattery in my life. I am a chunky monkey. That's what it is. And I like food. I like food and orange stickers from Hobby Lobby. Okay, let's see. Yep, I hear you. We're gonna pop it up. You know what? I'm feeling like this needs something else. Maybe a bigger border. Didn't want to add too much pink because they are my boys. And while I'm not one of those people who think men can't wear pink, I just don't want to put pink on there. I like this one though. And I think I will tear the edge. I could have just tore it, jeez. Just to keep that going. Oh goodness. Excuse me, I'm about to sneeze. Excuse me. What are we doing? Oh my good lord, 8 minutes. Ridiculous. Okay. Hey! Come back to me! Anyway, about the picture, I guess I could tell you guys about that. Even though if you've watched my... Sorry. Can't position and talk. Sorry, you guys know that about me by now. Vacation album, you will know that we were at some theme park. A cheap theme park in Orlando. I know what you're thinking. A cheap theme park? Not possible, but we couldn't afford to take 6 people to Universal. That would have been close to $1,000. Not including food and parking and all that good stuff. So, we took them to a cheapie. And they'll never know the difference until they're old enough to know the difference. So, it was fun though. It just, and to be honest, it didn't have as much, people, as many people, I don't know how to say that, which was to my delight, because just don't do well with crowds. So, anyway, that's why I brought Vacation. Wind in my hair, because we were on this, round thing that goes in a circle. Carousel? No, that doesn't sound right. Something. Anyway, and we were on the other side. They were on this side, and we took a picture of them. So, I didn't plan any embellishments out. Ooh, spring color cast in. Ooh, exploring, yeah. Oh gosh, did I just break that? Not cool, Shannon. Let's get these wood veneers here. Shopping, detesting, wearing, listening, eating, enjoying, loving, explore. Savoring. That does not say exploring. Did I really just misread that bad? Savoring, that's not going to make sense. Wearing, detesting, listening, shopping. Okay. Yeah, cool, not cool. Get you guys over there out of my way. Could use this green one. I don't really like that. I've been saving the white one and the gold one because just haven't found the perfect layout just yet. You guys know what I mean. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, that one's cute. Oh, the red one. Yeah. Oh, snap. Where are we going to put it? Oh, go back here. Okay. You never have enough of those, right? Not sure those are going to work. I kind of feel like if you have one arrow, you have to have more than one. Probably wrong about that. Oh, just tear it up. Hashtag happy day. Excuse my rusted pin. It's rusting my glue. I don't know what to do about that. Oh, exclamation point. Ah, this kid of mine. I don't even know the song he's listening to right now. Nice. Oh, I could put that right there. Okay. Ooh, red. Gracious, go through every single one of them. Oh, day tour would be cute because we were out. Put that there. I'm not done with that cluster yet. Little things. I need a circle right there, I feel like. Oh. Boom shakalaka. I do like the number 3. I liked it before it was cool with scrapbooking. Just so you know. 3 and 7, those are my favorites. I am shaking like crazy. Okay. This arrow shouldn't take me this long to put down. There we go. Nice. Okay. I need to figure out what I'm doing here. What am I doing up here? You know, just... What am I doing? What am I doing? You know that radio is changing an awful lot. It's leading me to believe my son's not actually showering as he's supposed to be. Which, you know, it's not really shocking. Not very shocking. Alright, I'm at a loss. Maybe I just need to move you guys down here. Okay, I kind of like that a little bit better. If I sprinkle the hearts, that's going to look too girly, isn't it? I think. Don't know. I should use this up, huh? Back up. Still not used up, but closer than I was. Kind of like that. Brings in the black a little bit more. Alright, let's sprinkly inkly. Okay, you guys know how this works for me, right? So, be prepared. There's probably going to be some kind of hand in the Nuvo drops. It's just kind of how I work. Anyway, that's it. This is all I'm doing. I hope you guys had a great day. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up before I put my hand in it so that at least I can just tell you about it on the next one. Because it gets kind of awkward always doing this stupid thing. I hope you guys are having a great day. I need to do a border real quick. Just a little border. Sorry, I know I guys just hit you guys. I have been slightly obsessed with the doodly border. Slightly. Okay. That is 8.5 page under 20, barely. Woo-wee. And that's with all my chitter chatter. Alright, you guys, I'm wrapping it up. I'm going to set this aside and go check on dinner. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.